To promote safe driving throughout the holidays, the insurer is working with the chef and TV personality. Allstate Insurance has joined forces with TV personality, chef and restaurateur Jordan Andino to develop Allstate Good Sips. This is a list of signature mocktail recipes meant to make sure drivers stay sober throughout the holiday season when they plan to get behind the wheel. Mocktails are becoming quite trendy, having taken off like never before in 2021. Last year, non-alcoholic beverage demand rose by 33% in 2021, reaching $331 million, said a recent news release by Allstate Insurance. While this is great news for promoting sobriety behind the wheel, alcohol continues to play a notable role in motor vehicle crashes, particularly during the holidays. The insurer and Andino are hoping to contribute to the mocktail trend by offering some unique, interesting and tasty non-alcoholic drinks drivers can enjoy when they're celebrating throughout the holiday season. It's important to stay sober if you're getting behind the wheel. But that doesn't mean your drink has to be boring, said Andino in the news release. I loved working with Allstate to create the Good Sips menu because I was able to infuse exotic flavors with traditional mixers to create something as beautiful as it is tasty. And if these mocktails can help save lives, even better. The Allstate Insurance list of Good Sips recipes also include ingredients supporting alertness. With ingredients that not only don't include alcohol but that can also help to keep people alert, it means that designated drivers will be able to enjoy tasty drinks during holiday gatherings while remaining clear thinking for the drive home. The mocktails include Safetini, a classic martini in non-alcoholic form, combining blue curacao syrup, sparkling water, lime juice, fresh mint and cranberries. Sober Sage, a holiday-inspired gin-like mocktail combining cranberry juice with sage simple syrup and soda water, garnished with sage leaves. 10 and 2, an old-fashioned without the alcohol, made with black tea, bitters, sugar, and an orange slice. The recipes were posted on the Allstate Insurance official Instagram account, which also offers a limited edition Allstate Good Sips kit with the tools, ingredients, and other necessary items. Thank you for following LIN. Make sure to hit subscribe and sign up for our weekly newsletter today.